Hi guys, we are going to discuss about UART transmitter. Okay, first I will define pin numbers 19 and 21 for communication, transmission and receiving. Okay, why hardware serial in one? We have especially three ESP3 hardware UART controllers 0, 1 and 2. 0 is for debugging purposes. 1 and 2 are we are generally uses. Okay, here I written detailedly why we are using. Like 1, you are creating a serial object that uses UART1 hardware. That means I am creating a special serial hardware that is a particular pins to use our communication purpose. Okay, it has three UART controllers. Okay, UART0, UART1, UART2. Okay, where to use UART on hardware, but the pins I will assign. That means this assignment is necessary for to use UART1 hardware engine, but assign pinning as per my requirement. Okay, where I have written in setup baud rate. This baud rate is for communication between UART0 for debugging from USB to PC, where we see details in this one serial monitor. Okay, and my serial begin. This is communication between UART devices. Like yeah, here I have written my serial written communication with another device. Here we are using USB TTL adapter. Okay, where my serial explains about TTL communication baud rate, and serial begin explains about ESP32 baud rate communication. Okay. Where here this is baud rate. This serial 8N1 means 8 data bits, N for no parity bit, 1 for 1 stop bit. Okay, here I am sending initially ESP UART transmitter is starting. Okay, second my serial printing counter. What is this do means it will print a value, converting value to text messages. String means text. Okay, where counter is initial we are setting 0, where we are incrementing. That means it will first 0 1 2 3, it will continuously prints. Okay, in serial, that means in ESP32 we are sending data. Here we write what data we need to send, like it will print in the serial monitor of ESP32. Okay, in my serial this will print data into receiver, like a USB TTL transmitter. Okay, receiver. Okay, this is transmitter line, this is receiver line. Okay, here we are incrementing counter value, and each value is delayed by 1 second. Now we need to set present. Now which USB are setting. Now we are connected. Let me show you in the first chip. This is ESP32. Okay, I connected pin number 19, ground, and 21, where 21 is for orange color, ground for yellow, and 19 for pin 19 green color. Okay, now I will show you in this. Okay, here clearly observe ground, yellow for yellow, ground. I connected ground. Second, pin number 19 I connected to the RxD, and receiver means here pin number is 19 is a transmitter, this is a receiver. Here green orange one is 21, pin number 21, and here transmitter. Okay, pin number, this is receiver, this is transmitter. Okay, now we are connecting to the PC. This is USB TTL converter. Now we are compiling, updating, compiling. Okay, now the program is compiling. Yeah, now it's done. Now I will upload the program to the USB32. Okay, yeah, it's now done. Now I will show you first the transmitter serial monitor of ESP32. Okay, ESP32 baud rate is 11,200. Yeah, we need to set this one. For our serial communication, we set 11,200. Okay, sorry, 1,15,200 baud rate. Okay, 11,500 baud rate. See, this is USB 32 responding serial printing in serial monitor. This is I am using in USB 0. See, observe. Okay. Now we are going for serial monitor, USB TTL monitor. We need to go for tools and port, and here we need to convert to serial monitor to USB TTL. Okay. Next we go for serial monitor. Here why it is not responding, here we need baud rate is 115,200. Okay, so we need to change to 9,600 baud rate. Okay, yeah, now yeah, at the when I am changing at that time it will be 74. That's why it is starting from 74. Actually before lines is also sent. Okay, thank you for watching.